You need to prepare colored cardboard, scissors, crayons, and double-sided tape. First, draw the shape of the fish. On the yellow cardboard, try to paint the fish as full and round as possible. Cut the fish off with scissors. Draw a kitten on the orange cardboard. Cut it off with scissors. Similarly, draw 2 more kitten claws and cut them off. Stick the cat and fish onto a white cardboard with double-sided adhesive. Draw a cat's beard and fur with crayons. Draw fish beaks and scales. Add patterns to both the fish and the cat. Stick the kitten's paws on as well. Using white clay to make the eyes of a kitten. Use a pen to draw out the black pupils. Add decorative lines around it. Finally, write the kitten's call, meow, and it's done.